Hello guys, here I would like to show you some common commands for Maven, the Maven most used command. Then we have the mv version, which prints out the version of the Maven you're running. So if I type mvn Maven, start for Maven, and then dash dash, and then put version, we see I must have typed some error, and immediately it gives me the correction. So unable to parse line. So this is not how we write version. So this is the reason why you get all this. It gives you. So this is how you write version. So I just did intentionally to show you that you can get more commands here that corrects you. So it's mvn version, and you can see this is my version I'm running. It's Apache Maven 3.99. For those of you who watched my previous video how to set up this mvn, I mean the Apache Maven on the path, then you realize I downloaded this 3.99, so you can also have a different version depending on what time are you watching this video. So here we have this other stuff here. We can just try them. Let's see -v, and let's see what it's going to give us. Comma version. Okay, it's not recognized, but anyway, this is how actually it's giving you how to write, which display the version information. But the v is not recognized here. So let me see if I clear. Let me clean the mvn clean, which is that clear target directory into which Maven normally builds up your project. So let me use this command mvn clean. Okay, so the idea of using this command is just to clear the target directory into which the Maven normally builds your project. So another command that it's commonly used is when you want to build the project and package the result in jar file or into the target directory. So we use the Maven package mvn package. You see, for instance, this is a simple project called Mikumi. If I want to package this to the jar so that deploy to the web service like Amazon, so I have to build this to the jar file. You understand? So for that reason, I'm using this mvn package. If you enter, then you see it's gonna run. There's a lot of things that are going to happen here, testing and stuff. At the end of the day, we're going to get the jar, the file that ends with the jar, and that file it's here. Original file has been renamed to this user Mikumi, and the application is compressed to this file that ends with jar original. So if you come here to the target, you'll say Mikumi target Mikumi. So you come here to devs. So we got target, and then we can see here it's this one. So anytime you want to run this, you can run it also from here. Okay, so just have to show you how to do that, how to compile, to compress your file, this project to this, and it's how it's done. Okay, we have to, when we want to build the project and package the result in jar into that directory without running the unit test, then we have to use another command, and this command is called it's exactly the same as this command, but again this time we have to add the dash the maven.test. Okay, space load this test and then d, and then we put Maven small letter Maven, and then test skip is equal to true. This is when we don't want to run test. Okay, so this is going to skip the test, and let me try to enter. So we have some errors, and this error is worth reading the errors. Some probably encountered by building the effective model for this one. So dependence, this class must be unique. Lombok duplicates the declaration version. So there is issue of dependencies, to fix dependencies, and these are warnings. And here it's saying that there's an error non life cycle test skip. You must specify the valid life cycle test skip, which means is this one I wrote here. So I have to think why it's giving me this error. Yeah. Okay. Then write again the package DV true. So let's see if we try again, because maybe I have made a mistake, and enter again. I still encounter the unknown life cycle of this skip through. Let me specify the valid life cycle first. Go to format this. Okay, there's something that I have to try to work on it and see how it's gonna be. But then we have another test that clears the target directory to build the project and the package results. So if I want to clean the package, for example, if I want to remove this package from here, so I have to use the command called the mvn clean package. So mvn clean package. So as you can see, if you do that, if you run this again, mv clean package, what we get is that you clear the target directory and builds the project and packages the resulting jar file into the target directory. So we have another command, and this command is mv verify, mvn verify, understand? And what it does, it runs all the integration tests found in the project. If there is an integration test, it runs all those tests, and then we still have mvn install, and I've built the project described by the Maven profile and install the resulting artifact jar into your local Maven repository. So if I say mvn install, you can see, you can just read what's happening here. Sometimes it gives descriptions like what's really happening. So you can also use this command to build the project as described by the Maven file, and then installs the resulting artifact jar into the local Maven repository. And if you want to skip that also, you can use because I've been using this command. I don't know for some reason why it's not working. And this command called mv install the Maven test skip. Can you write this one here? This one, install the test skip, and I get this error, and I have to find out this unknown lifecycle phase. I'll try to do some research on this, and then I'll come back to you later in the comment section. Again, we have if you want to copy the dependencies from the remote Maven repository to your local Maven, you can also use the Maven dependencies copy. It's a command here. This is when you enter, you see. So it does exactly what I said. Is that it clean the project and copy dependencies from a remote Maven repository to your local Maven repository, and you can see what it has done here. If you want to do that, you can just use this command here, this command, and then it will do exactly what we did here. It's the Maven dependencies copy dot dependencies. Okay, and if I want to clean, I have to use the other command. And this command is going to clean the project copy from the remote Maven repository to your local Maven repository and package your project. And this command, let me type it here. Is clean dependencies copy. And if I enter, and you see that's it's built a success. So and it has done what we expected. And then if I want to print out the dependency tree for my project based on the dependencies configured in the .pom file, then I can use the Maven dependency tree. This is another command. This command here. Okay. So this is going to show me this exactly what you see here. Yeah, so it's going to show me it's going to print out the dependency tree for my project based on the dependencies configured on the .pom file, and exactly what you can see here. Okay, and if I want to print out the dependency tree for my project based on the dependencies configured on the .pom file that include repeated or transitive dependencies, then I can use the verbal command, which are this one. It gives a warning, but exactly this it does. So if I want to print out dependencies from my project which depend on the, let's say, one file, or from another what should I say, like from other dependent artifacts, then you can use the same command like this one, which is dependency tree, and then you disinclude the name of that artifact. For example, if I was to use this command here, let's say is here a tree, then this includes the .convert, this name of this, even though I don't have it here, but let's tree. So that's why I get this error because I don't have it on my dependencies file, .pom file. Okay, so but how you use it, I'll give you that's an example. So for now you can just practice. So you just put mvn, you see what will happen, get an error. But if you say mvn clean, it cleans up everything. And let's see from the target folder, you see when it cleans up, it removes the target folder. But if you say here we had the target folder, but it's not normal because I just use this command to clean up. So if I say mvn and then install, let's see what happens. You see, I made a mistake. Let's say mvn clean install. See this one, if you're watching, you can see this one just came after I installed. Okay, so these are some of the commands. There are other commands like let's say let me try the mvn compile. Let's see what will happen. You can see, so there are tons of commands. If you can use this one to deploy your project, deploy, which is going to give error. See, yeah, because you have to set the parameters if you want to deploy your application to the server. And then we also have actually these are just some common commands you have to get used to because you'll be finding them all the time if you're using Maven to run your project. So thank you guys, remember to subscribe, and I hope this was helpful for you. Share and like, and bye bye.